Buksan po natin ang ating Biblia sa Matthew chapter 14, verses 13 to 36. Bago sa verse 13, sinabi dito, "Then his disciple came and took away the body and buried it and went and told Jesus." Sa verse 13, "When Jesus heard it, he departed from there by boat to a deserted place by himself. But when the multitudes heard it, they followed him on foot from the cities. And when Jesus went out, he saw a great multitude, and he was moved with compassion for them, and he healed their sick. When it was evening, his disciples came to him, saying, 'This is a deserted place, and the hour is already late. Send the multitudes away, and they may go into the villages and buy themselves food.' But Jesus said to them, 'They do not need to go away. You give them something to eat.' And they said to him, 'We have here only 5 loaves and 2 fish.' He said, 'Bring them here to me.' Then he commanded the multitudes to sit down on the grass. And he took the 5 loaves and the 2 fish, and looking up to heaven, he blessed and broke and gave the loaves to the disciples, and the disciples gave to the multitudes. So they all ate and were filled. And they took up 12 basketful of fragments and that remained. Now those who had eaten were about 5,000 men, besides women and children. Immediately Jesus made his disciples get into the boat and go before him to the other side, while he sent the multitudes away. And when he had sent the multitudes away, he went up on the mountain by himself to pray. Now when evening came, he was alone there. But the boat was now in the middle of the sea, tossed by the waves, for the wind was contrary. Now in the 4th watch of the night, Jesus went to them walking on the sea. And when the disciples saw him walking on the sea, they were troubled, saying, 'It is a ghost.' And they cried out for fear. But immediately Jesus spoke to them, saying, 'Be of good cheer, it is I, do not be afraid.' And Peter answered him and said, 'Lord, if it is you, command me to come to you on the water.' So he said, 'Come.' And when Peter had come down out of the boat, he walked on the water to go to Jesus. But when he saw that the wind was boisterous, he was afraid, and beginning to sink, he cried out, saying, 'Lord, save me!' And immediately Jesus stretched out his hand and caught him and said to him, 'O you of little faith, why did you doubt?' And when they got into the boat, the wind ceased. Then those who were in the boat came and worshipped him, saying, 'Truly, you are the Son of God.' When they had crossed over, they came to the land of Gennesaret. And when the men of that place recognized him, they sent out into all the surroundings region, brought to him all who were sick, and begged him that they might only touch the hem of his garment, and as many as touched it were made perfectly well." So isa itong pinakadakilang milagro na nangyari. Dapat pag-ingatan natin at bigyan halaga ang nabasa nating himalang ito, na pinapakain ang 5,000 kalalakihan, hindi pa binilang ang mga kababaihan at mga bata. Pasalamat tayo dahil si Jesus ay makapangyarihan at maawain. Alam niya kung sila ay pauwiin, marami sa kanila ay mahimatay sa gutom. Alam niya rin na marami sa kanila ay hindi tunay na manampalataya at walang pag-ibig sa Kanya. Pero siya ay may awa at nabusog ang lahat. Mababasa din natin ang awa niya sa makasalanan. Ayon sa Micah chapter 7 verse 8, sabi na, "He does not retain His anger forever because He delight in mercy." Pangalawa, mababasa natin na ang kapangyarihan ni Jesus sa lahat niyang nilikha, naglakad siya sa tubig na parang tuyong lupa. Tulad ng paalala sa atin ng pastor kanina, ang Panginoon Jesus ay may dominion sa lahat ng bagay. makakabigay ito ng lakas na loob sa atin na lahat na ginawa niya ay sa ilalim ng kanyang kapangyarihan. Kahit sa mga iniligtas niya na may pagsubok sa buhay, sabi sa Awit chapter 94, "If I say my foot slips, your mercy, O Lord, will hold me up."